I want to show you an acupressure point that I think you will be able to use in so many ways. Well, this is an acupressure point that actually boosts the pituitary gland, your endocrine gland. Let's go right into it. I want to show it to you. It's right in between your eyebrows. You see my eyebrows meet? Right where they meet, where the bridge of my nose meets my forehead, there's a dip here. I'm touching that dip lightly, and that's the point. Now, all you need to do is to press it with your eyes closed and breathe deeply for somewhere about 2 minutes. That's all it takes to boost your intuition. And the more you do it, the more you'll have a knowingness of what you need in your life. And it actually will enhance your life. Now, I have one guarantee. There's no side effects. You know, this point will actually be good. And you might know somebody who's actually in pain. Whether it's head pain, they have a headache, or they have a pain somewhere else. Now, to use it for pain reduction, you need to hold this point and breathe deeply for at least 2 to 3 minutes, both touching it and focusing on it, focusing on right where you're touching, and breathing deeply. It's actually chemical. There's a neurochemical that gets produced through the body by holding this acupressure point. It's fantastic. And now that I've shared it with you, you can do it the rest of your life. You can share it with friends. It's so practical to learn acupressure.